There are many paths to earning with AI depending on your skill set and interests. Here's a general roadmap to get you started. 1. Choose your niche, AI skills. If you have experience in coding or data analysis, you can develop AI products, consult for businesses on AI implementation, or create online courses on AI topics. Content creation. Explore using AI writing tools to generate content like blog posts, website copy, or even ebooks. You can then sell this content or leverage it for affiliate marketing. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr allow you to offer AI services like translation powered by AI, tools, chatbot development, or graphic design with AI assistance. Investing. Consider investing in AI-focused companies or stocks. Research the market to make informed decisions. 2. Develop your skills. Many free and paid resources are available online to learn about AI concepts, tools, and applications. Depending on your chosen path, you might need to hone your coding abilities, data analysis skills, or marketing knowledge. 3. Build your portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your AI expertise. This could include sample code, content you've created with AI tools, or client testimonials for freelance work. 4. Market yourself. Network with others in the AI field through online communities or events. Promote your services or content through social media or freelance platforms. Remember, the key is to leverage AI as a powerful tool to enhance your existing skills or open doors to new opportunities.